We're here at SeaWorld Orlando for National Rollercoaster Day. This is our third day at a park. Well, this is our third park of our little vacation that we're having, and yeah, we're gonna have some good time. It's been a while since I did a vlog at SeaWorld Orlando, so yeah, we're gonna see what's been going on. So right now we're gonna head to Penguin Trek. This is his first time riding it. I rode it back during Passover preview, and we're gonna get his thoughts on the ride. It is a lovely day here at SeaWorld. It's nice and hot, nice and sunny, and hopefully all the roller coasters will be running today. Greetings from the bottom of the world, SeaWorld's Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin. All right, looks like Penguin Trek is on a 45-minute wait. That's not too bad. Let's go in. Oh, and here we are.
Carefully step onto the snowmobile and take your seat. Once in place, hold down on the ride harness. When your expedition leader approaches, please sit upright with your backs against.
So apparently they have a row specifically for disabled people, like if you have like a prosthetic limb. And right now they're getting her situated in, and that's pretty cool. Alright, we're still on the ride, so I'm going to do an on-ride reaction. I rode this back in Passover preview, so it still feels the same. It's still a bit rattly, and it still has that jolt on that second half. So nothing really has changed. My mind hasn't changed on like the smoothness of the ride, but it's still a fun ride. My friend, what do you think?
It's pretty fun. Not as intense as I thought it would be, but it was good. It was fun. Yeah.
What you thought about the lunch?
That was pretty dope. I mean, like I said before, a lot of rides do that now, so I kind of expected it.
Okay.
Awesome.
So to your right. So something that piqued your interest. So we was looking at the fin brakes on Penguin Trek. So you kind of like a mechanic yourself, right?
Yeah, something like that.
So stuff like that interests you?
Very much so. I just love to see how things are designed and what makes these things tick. I actually got to see those hydraulic pumps actually go and push out the pistons at the right moment and the right timing and in the right. It honor does something for me. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, this won't be a long vlog because we're just really here for my friend to ride Penguin Trek since he never rode it. We're going to get a couple of rides on Mako and honestly call it a day. We got enough roller coasters this past 3 days, so yeah, we're good. We're ready to go back to our homes.
I'm roller coastered out.
Yeah, he's roller coastered out. I'm not roller coastered out, but I kind of am roller coastered out. Just like I'm over roller coasters now. I want to go back home and edit shit. Mako is a 5-minute wait, aka a walk on. Let's get some rides on. Mako is awesome. I think we're gonna get one more ride in, and then we're gonna call it a day. Like again, we're not here for long. We're just here to ride a couple of rides, and that's it. We're getting on one more ride because we love Mako. We are Mako stands here, baby. Mako for life. You Mako me crazy. I want to Mako out with. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop. You Mako me crazy. You Mako me loco. You Mako me sicko. So we're gonna ride Mako again. Oh, he's Mako me crazy. He is Makoing me super crazy right now.
Please stop. Lift up on your left.
Okay, something about that second ride, everybody was vibing, man. It's like when we got across the hills, everybody was like, "Wait!" And that was fun. That made me want to ride one more time. I convinced this man to let us do one more ride because Mako is fun, especially with a group of other people that like roller coasters, man. That's why I love being a roller coaster enthusiast. It brings people together, strangers that you would never have met together on one ride, and to have fun. I love it. Damn. All right, so we just got out our third ride. Not only I'm satisfied, I am Mako-fied. Are you Mako-fied, my friend? All right. So we just got on our third ride of Mako. I think we're gonna head out now. Like again, we wasn't really here for long. We were just here just to get a couple of rides on Mako and for him to visit Penguin Trek for the first time. Mission accomplished. Now we can continue on with our day. Mako was fun, Penguin Trek was fun, and we're out. So we'll see you on the next vlog, and take care, and happy National Roller Coaster Day to everybody out there. Take care.